Welcome to part 9 of trains on the MBTA Franklin line. Once again, like I said in the last video, these videos will be airing a lot more often now that I'm out of school. Anyway, here's Keolis729 with MBTX HSP46 number 2034, the T logo less HSP46. 4 days later, we're back at Forest Park, but this time at midnight for the last outbound of the night. Keolis731 with nothing exciting on it. Later that day, we're down at Forest Park for Keolis723 with nothing exciting on it but a very friendly engineer. They're running about half an hour late. I do not know why they were running about half an hour late. I was guessing it was due to an engine failure because 2032 is one of the second most unreliable HSPs along with 2034 and 2037. Once again, later that night, we were down at Forest Park for Keolis729 with nothing exciting on it but a very friendly engineer. 2 days later, we're down at Forge Park again for Keolis 729 again, this time with nothing exciting on it once again but a 4-car bottle set, which you don't usually get on the Franklin line. After Keolis 730 departed Forge Park, a PTC test extra was behind 730 and was waiting to clear Forge Park. Once 730 departed Forge Park, the PTC test train decided to depart Forge Park and head back into Boston. Regular contest, but had F40P-3C number 1050 trailing. Not bad. The next day we're down at Forge Park for Keolis 723 again with the same friendly engineer as last time. Nothing exciting on the train, but I received word that CTC-5 number 1816 with the K3L would be on the train. So I decided to go down to see it. First we see it coming outbound at Forge Park, and then we see it at a crossing deadheading to the labor yard. After 723 came into Forge Park, we headed down to Public Works Way, small flag crossing in Franklin. Public Works Way is a historic crossing because CTC-4R number 1710 crashed into it and was damaged beyond repair down at this crossing. And also, this is a very special crossing on the Franklin line because this is one of the last crossings on the Franklin line to still have mechanical bells. I love it, and I love getting this shot, so we'll probably see more scenes here in the future. Two weeks later, I went down to Forge Park for Keolis 729, but expecting something as normal as an HSP and a random bi-level set. However, today's 729 was fairly unusual. Although it's not that common, it was still fun to see. It had an HSP-46, but this time the cab car was facing outbound and the locomotive facing inbound. I have no idea why the set was turned around, but yeah, not bad. A week later, I'm at Forest Park, we see Keolis 712 departing Forest Park, with F40PH-3 scene number 1068. Nowadays on the Franklin line, all you really see are HSP-46s. Although the F40PH-3s are now becoming more and more common, they're still good to see on the Franklin line, as because all you really get are HSP-46s on the Franklin line. Not bad.